Unlocking the power of might in English. Hello and welcome, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a critical aspect of the English language, the modal verb, might. Might is a versatile word used to talk about various situations, particularly when giving advice or discussing potential scenarios. Let's explore how we can use this powerful verb to enhance our English communication skills. Might is a modal verb, a type of auxiliary verb used to express various moods or attitudes such as possibility, permission, ability, and more. Specifically, might is often used to indicate a small possibility or likelihood of something happening, or to give or request advice. One common use of might is to express possibility. When you're not sure if something will happen, you can use might. Let's look at a few examples. 1. It might rain today. There's a chance of rain, but it's not certain. 2. She might be at home now. It's possible she's at home, but we don't know for sure. Another common use of might is for giving advice or suggestions. This is less forceful than using should. Here are some examples. 1. You might want to check the weather before you leave. This is a suggestion, not a command. 2. He might find it helpful to create a study schedule. This is advice, not an order. Might can also be used to make polite requests. This makes the request sound less direct and more courteous. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. 1. I was wondering if you might lend me that book. This is a polite way of asking for a book. 2. Do you think you might be able to help me with this? This is a polite way of asking for help. And there we have it. We've explored various ways to use the modal verb, might, enriching our ability to express possibilities, give advice, and make polite requests in English. With regular practice, you'll be more confident and fluent with your use of might. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and you might just surprise yourself with how much you can achieve. See you in our next video. Happy learning!